No, it's
40
not
grand.
price, but yeah.
40 grand that one. So it's more like 100,000, 200,000,
Yeah.
more or less.
More or less. And then this is the strap that goes to the. This is an electric.
So
amp.
Ibere Kugenza that one.
This is a guitar.
Okay, this one.
This is an amp. So let's say it's a
Yeah.
So for it, ukuthi be sound fanele uyifake la.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
connection.
Yeah, you
Okay.
connect it to it. So this bass amp.
Bass, yeah.
This is a bass guitar.
Yeah.
A 5-string bass. It's
Okay.
an Ibanez. It's another brand. Yeah, this is an Ibanez. Ibanez is a top of the range
Yeah, man.
guitar.
Ebenezer.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a bass Ibanez.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And 5-string bass. And
Nice.
yeah.
Yeah, hold them like that.
Okay.
And
alright.
spew it, do your thing.
Bass and
Yes.
not
And then this is the cable from here to
Okay.
the amp.
Okay.
And then here's another cable.
Okay.
This
one, this one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Cable enyele.
And
And
then
ithi lezi yazibona zi-electrified
Besibhale.
azidlali ngaphandle kwe-amp.
Kwe-amp.
So leso strap ne usifaka la. Then
Oh,
uyayakha.
for
Yes.
oh,
Uyayakha.
la way too.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And then there are tuners.
I go for my tunas.
Bambala. And let's say azikapheleli this.
So how do you hold the guitar? Like this?
Yeah,
Oh,
like that.
okay.
But the one ungu-left iqalise phezulu wakabe.
Because
Yeah.
also,
Yeah,
so
Yeah, njalo.
like this.
Yes.
Spiwe. Spiwe. Oh, ngibona nangibona wakathando lo.
Bazowaletha microphone. Before you use a guitar, you have to tune it.
Oh.
So you plug it here.
That's Ndabezitha.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
And then again,
Ngibona ngirekhoda la.
and then again we are.
Banka sekhaya. Banka sekhaya.
And then so that i-guitar yakho ingachapi.
Okay.
Okay. Tuner. Yes. And what else did they-
The Ebenezer.
Ibanez.
Oh, Ebenezer.
Okay.
Ngasimandrebele nanda kisidatha sisichugulule ngendlela ethu.
And
Ebenezer.
yeah, I think for today.
For today.
Yeah.
This is it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wait for the babies to come, all of them.
Yes.
We're gonna host a concert with the new equipment,
Yeah.
and we're gonna come.
And then there's a message from Planet World.
Oh, can we read it?
Yes.
Yes. Congratulations, dear Zodwa. Congratulations. We are thrilled to present you with this donation from Musical Instrument Department. We hope that you are able to have many hours of fun and so much creativity. Go get them! Planet World.
Go get them.
Go get them!
Yes.
Hashtag go get them.
Ngiyathokoza khulu kwamambala. Ngithome delete what I've said. Are you live? Ibizo lami nginguZodwa Mabena, the founder of South African School of Music that is based at the State Theatre. The school was founded in 2013 and it started to fully operate in 2021 here at the State Theatre. And I'm a multi-award winning jazz artist, and I would like to first thank Tshidy Kekana Manganye for nominating me when Planet World put a advert lab out there on Facebook, and then secondly thank Planet World ukuthi bang recognize and then babone ukuthi ngifit for their donation. So this donation goes a long way to me, because when I founded the school, I didn't have any budget. I started it from zero budget. My aim was to just uplift up and coming musicians, because ngibona ukuthi siyindlu enzima asikho kangako endabeni yokuthi silandelele i-music education. So music education is very much important to me. It's very close to my heart. And then ngibona ukuthi ku-important ukuthi impart the information that I have to budding musicians. Ngiyathokoza. Ngithanda ukuthokoza ilanga la namhlanje. Nginenithekeli la. Zebukhosini. Ngithome ngokuthi ngithokoza ubukhosi bakwaSogutsha nobukhosi bakwaMkhetha ngeBank. Ngithokoze nabakhambisani babo. Ngithokoze neNdlovukazi khona ngapha. Ngithokoze noTshidy, woman of the moment.
Women of the moment.
Yes, our social media influencer. Ngithokoza uBradon lo Jamela. Uhlala angisekela ngaso sonke isikhathi. uBradon uhlala anami ngaso sonke isikhathi, whether nginemali or anginayo, uBradon is always here to help me. uBradon is a renowned saxophonist. Yes. Nangi whether ngikuphi athi no uskawara mem Zodwa, I'm here. When I'm sick ngithi Bradon I can't come to school. Bradon always say no, stay home, I'll be here, I'll be with your kids. So I'd like to thank you so much, Bradon. He's been with me from inception. Ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala. Ilanga namhlanje befuza ukuthi libe likhulu kodwa izinto zange zihlangahlangene likhulu ngiyathokoza. Ngifila ngenye indlela because now ngiflathela, I'm rehearsing and I am supposed to rehearse vele namhlanje because I have a big day.
Yes.
Okay. Ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala Thando ukuthi angeke ngikhulume ngothando kungakabi nje. Thando Mahlangu. Ngithokoza kakhulu ibambisano lami nawe. Uyazi la ngisuka khona from 2015 when I released my first single before I could release my album, and then angeke ngikhohlwe ukuthi ngo 2016 ngathi ngisepulukwane senze promotion nginawe. Wathi kimi no Zodwa Mabena fanele ungenele isathi mangithe ithando sila for i-promotion ye ngilivulandlela ye alinevolo. Wena wathi sokuzuma iposo la ikhona siyoposta isidile ikhambe iye ku Satma. And then ngayizangithathele hloko mara senga reluctantly so I posted. And then we waited and then I got the message in a few weeks but I've been nominated for Satma Awards. And then yes. And then influencer himself. Never activist. And then ukusuka lapho ke sathoma ke sa campaigner. He's a very hardworking man. Bengithina ngithi ngihlezi angitshela ukuthi kusasa une interview eTV. Nangisathi ngithi Thando athi afternoon yakhona une interview Jet FM ngithi how possible this is.
He's working.
Yeah.
He's pushing the ground.
He's pushing. So lokho kwangihelebha kakhulu kwangibeka la kwangisusa la kwangibeka le and then we scooped that Satma award.
Great.
Yes. And then ayazanga ngilahle nanje usesekhona. Yes. Ngithokoza noSiphiwe Louis.
Yeah.
uSiphiwe Louis imanager yami ngifuna ukumthethisa phambi kwabantu.
No, you don't have to.
I have to.
No, please cut the cord.
Siyalwa sinayo mara sizoyilungisa.
Not today.
Yeah, ngisebenza noSiphiwe as my manager. Sizoyilungisa.
We love you, Spiwe.
We love you, Sphiwe.
Yes.
Stop and record again.
Mntwana Khehla noMabena siyakuthokozisa kakhulu Tshidy, our influencer, our number one influencer. Sithokoza ukuthi ubone linye indebele imberegwalo bese nawubona i-opportunity umphosele naye esitsheni or esigotleleni sama opportunity. Siyamthokoza, kumele siyithokoze ngani. yes, the equipment ezokulasta isikhathi eside ezothuthukisa ibhudango lakho ilibeke esiqongolweni la obufuna ukuthi libe khona. So take care of this instrument. We know ukuthi you are getting old. Ruma abantwana abamandrebele ubenze bangene kulomkhakha. Asibakhombeni ukuthi ikhona imali kulomkhakha ngoba abantwana bethu abakhulako babona ngathi hayi into nje ezokudlala engeke zasilethela engeke zabe kubrothe etafuleni. Asibakhombeni ukuthi lezi zinto ziyabeka ubrothe etafuleni. Ngiyathokoza. Sithokoze ku Planet Wealth. Nithi Ebenezer, bathi Ibanez.
Maybe
No, Ebenezer, shina sithi Ebenezer ngoba isihole kwaze kwabala. Siyathokoza.
Ndabezitha.
Ngiyathokoza nami ngithokoze khulu ithuba inkosi Nsizwa Mahlangu yawamhlecha yaseBank khamba nenkosi enkulu la sokuvutha. Nondlukulu namabutho la sophela amabutho asidlali njalo. Manje la sizele udadewethu la uzodwa Mabena sithi sakuthokozisa ngesipho lesesikhona esivela kwa Planet Wealth. Thina sila njengokhosi kuzokuhonora to say la gadanga khona inkosi and sivula inhliziyo zethu sithi kuzimi nabezimo sifuna ukuthi bakukhulise la ukhona usiwedwa la ukhamba khona sokhamba nawe njengoba nasikhambe ne-influencer yethu le yesikhethu sifuna nathi ukuthi sikhombise ukuthi nathi in our capacity njengamakhosi we are activists in our own nature. We are activists of unity. Sifuna uunite, sifuna ukuthi uphele into yakaMabena noMahlangu. Sifuna kuphela into yakanzunza noManala. Sifuna ukuthi kuphakame into yaka Ndebele. Into ethi Ndebele into esifuna ukukhamba nayo. Sifuna ukujoina uthando ngemovement le ekade ayithoma. Sifuna ukujoina influencer. Sifuna ukuyithatha ngoba modern nangesintu into lesikhambe nayo. Sikhombisa ukuthi si relevant, we are young chiefs and sila for wena. La ukhamba khona usibize la uthoka khona isupport yethu. Yeah, sibona ukuthi combined masikhona la ukuningi esingakaccomplish la umuntu unakenza into yedwa. So siyathokozisa sithi uragele phambili manje na ungakhona usfeature kwenye ingoma nathi siyafuna noma nathi sikhulume sithi bayedwa something yabona yeah nathi sfeature somewhere ngiyathokoza
Ngiyathokoza. Sisi Zodwa siyathokozisa ukuthi siyawuthokoza lo mbereko owenza lesitshaba sekhethu and ngicabanga ukuthi uhlala uzwa abantu bathi basichenya kangakanani noma basikhakhazisa kangakanani. So for me la ngivela ngakhona wela kithi baningi abakulomkhakha oku so ukuthola owangikhethu okulomkhakha lo ngizikhakhazisa kakhulu and njengoba Ndabezitha asho ukuthi we are here ukukusekela anything ekhulumisa uNdebele. That's who we are, that's what we stand for, that's what we believe, that's what we'll fight for. So uNkulunkulu akusize ukhule udlondlobale impumelelo nje ikunethe because makuma wena abantu bethu bane chance. So siyathokoza kakhulu.
Aline volo.
What happened? No, this battery. What happened to you?
It's optimized.
I think really I need to perform this.
Kengibona ingwane le ukuthi injani for mina vele ingasasuka ehlowa.
My time?
Bengithole 2 Thando outside.
Cool.
Yeah.
Ngiyona
Hangiyo Ndabezitha.
ziyano ayisasuka. Kulo ma account.
Okay. Lochani Ku TV Tando's TV.
Okay.
Lami bizo Tshidy, Kekana Manganye, the lady with an American height and African heart. Indebele lidla ibisi ngeforoko. Namhlanje it's one of the greatest day. I remember, I think it's 4 months, if not 3 months, or I think it's 5 months ago. Uzodwa sikhuluma kaningi, yabo. So uyangitshela uthi yazi ngikubhudangile. Ngithi mina ngibhudange ngenzani? Imali Zodwa akhetha ukubhudanga mina phakathi kwabantu abaningi kangaka. So athi ngikubhudange bowumbethe i-necklace e-gold. Beyihle, like beautiful. And it looked heavy. Ngakutshela ngathi yo ngiyayithanda i-necklace le oyimbetheko yihle. And then athi kubhudango lapha ngathi mina uyayithanda wathi angiyithanda ngayihlubula ngamupha yona.
Yes.
That gold necklace, that beautiful. So 5 months, fast forward, 5 months later, we are here. I think this is the gold that Zodwa saw on the dream coming from me. I did not know beyizokuza njani, kwenze njani ukuthi ifike, but the universe has a way of, making our dreams come true. That is a dream from Zodwa about me, and that dream exactly came true today. This is the equipment ezokulasta for as long as akwazi ukuyihlokomela.
Yes.
Until abantwana basezako akwazi bafundisa music until ibe nembobo baloko babethe ingubhu badosa amagatara benzani. So that is the heaviest that is the heaviest necklace oyibonileko kimi egold boyithanda mnganami. Uzimo wenzile ukuthi ifike kuwe ngikuphile ngehliziyo emhlophe. When I saw the nomination, I could not think of anyone. Like, you just came to my mind. I was busy or what, but I stopped there and there. Gaibon nomination, this is Zodwa. I told them about Zodwa, and we are here today to celebrate the necklace, the gold necklace. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm gonna thank you for clapping for that. So, esithabeni samaNdebele ngithanda ukuthi asibambisaneni. Nasikusekelako ayi ukuthi sisekela wena namhlanje, tomorrow nasiceda ukukusekela ufikile la uyakhona usanandaba nathi. Nawe chubeka komunye umuntu, and ukusekela nakuthi ukuthi nasiposta something on social platform, especially nasiposta something, it doesn't take money to share it to your people. It doesn't take anything from you. Ukushare lo munye umuntu, you understand? You just share, click a button, you share. Those same data that you are using to scroll is the same data that you can use to screen, to share for someone else to know about the event, about the votes, anything that needs to happen, yabo. Mina ngibaba sibambisanini, nasingabambisana singafika kude simaNdebele, singenza izinto eziningi, singakhethi ukuthi why ubani ukhamba nobani, group akunama group la. Sindebele esisiphushako, bundebele esiphushako, gundebele esimpushako. We support everyone, but it's a give and take.
Group not basifaka simakhosi la.
I don't know. But what I want to say as well, it's a give and take, tit for tat. We give, you give us back. We can't give you and then you shine and then you forget us. What we give, bring it back. Let's give others. Thank you.
Tando, you want to say something?
Akwande Mzansi ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu, ngimthothozele ngimdosi phambili ngilwela ukuthi isiNdebele sibe kumabona kude, isiNdebele sivelele kuhle kuhle ngilwela umnotho. Mara ke ngiyufuna ngamaNdebele on TV ngoba itelevision inamandla, ipowerful, ngiye ngenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuzwana simaNdebele ngoba abantu bakholwa yonke into abayibona kumabona kude Zodwa Mabena. Ngikho sifuna ukuthi umvumeni udlale iwo wonke ama-radio SABC nasilwako abongemani ngale balwa bathi we want you to play the music with Ndebele content. Bakhuluma ngomvumo wenu ngoba siyazi ukuthi SABC inamandla kangangani. Wonke umhlobo ovelileke eSouth Africa uvezwe iSABC ekungiyo yodwa public broadcaster. Ngekho bengisatshela umnisi wemvula ku Radio 2000 ukuthi nathi sifuna iSABC yenze ground libe level. Sifuna ukuthi nathi ibe nomdlalo wakumabona kude wamaNdebele ukuthi abavumi bakwazi ukubenefita njengoba nazi ukuthi esinye nesinye story sizokuba nomvumo ozokuba khona, then kulaba vela khona boZodwa Mabena, kulaba lingisi bavela khona bo Tshidy Kekana, kula nathi singena khona ama language and cultural advisor, kulama producers nama writers angena khona. So ngikho ngithi mina nanje sisalwa ukuthi umnotho lo abuyelene eMandebeleni, ngoba isitshaba samaNdebele ngikholelwa mina ukuthi kusitshaba esikhulu ukudlula wonke umhlobo khona eAfrika, sidlula isitshaba samaZulu kuhle kuhle, ngoba isitshaba samaNdebele sinabile noqalise la Africa, sise Western Cape, sise Eastern Cape, sise KZN, sise Limpopo, sise Zimbabwe, sise DRC Congo, uyayibona singaphandle sinabile kuhle kuhle. Manje asibuyeni Mandebele khethu, asihlanganeni, asibumbaneni, asilweleni into yinye, umkhumbulo awube munye. Sithi thina sifuna ukubona isiNdebele sivelela, sifuna ukubona isiNdebele sisibhadela njengamanye amalimi. Ko ubereke ukuthi ubereka ngelimi lesiNdebele kuphela abe yikho enye into yenzako, mara okwanje ukuthi abavumi bethu ngapha uyavuma, ngapha phakathi kweveke usekontrageni, ngapha usesitolo uyayi-till packer lapha namkhana i-stock packer. Into leyo ebuhlungu thina siphathisa ubuhlungu, ngoba siyazi ukuthi ukuba creative kunjani, i-creative thinking pattern yakho akukafanele ukuthi icharagane, yabo. Zodwa Mabena, ngithokoza ukuthi ubekezele ngaphakathi kwekoro le, akhange uphela amandla. Sihle sikutshela ukuthi izinga lakho ligijima lingana nabo Mama Miriam Makeba. Ngithi kuphela amaNdebele singakwazi ukuthatha sikugele phezulu, sikuveze nesitshabeni sangaphandle ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ungubani, ubuyaphi. Umvumo lo ukwazi ukubhadela, ngoba ukuya ngami umvumo lo awukabi ukubhadela, ene kade uberegela ilimi lesiNdebele. Bosangithumela umvumo lapha no babuvusa Mahlasela, lapha oqhahe khona ngelimi lesiNdebele, ukhombisa ukuthi into yesiNdebele le unayo, ikuwe ngaphakathi, ungiyo. Sekuthi nje thina sisitshaba samaNdebele asikabi ukubona lokho, sisakulalisela amehlo. Manje ngikho sikhamba sithi sinama movement athi vuka Ndebele, kusile Ndebele, kuvuswe ezivusako, asivukeni maNdebele. Tshidy Kekana, ngithokoza ukuthi uthena ubona i-advert le azange ukhethe omunye umuntu namkhana azange uyilise udlule, wabona ukuthi into le izokhona ukuhelebha omunye umntwana ekhethi, izokhona ukuhelebha umntwana eNdebele akwazi ukufundisa amanye amaNdebele, ngoba ngaphakathi kwekoro le abakiyo kuyikoro enemali, ene ikoro edila nge-life. So amaNdebele khethu mdele bafunde, mde bakwazi ukufundiseka, bakwazi ukuvuma, bazi ukuthi umuntu nakakubhukhako ubhukha njani. And kuyinto kufanele sikhambe senza ama-workshop, si-workshopa ama-promoters wangekhethu Zodwa Mabena, ukuthi bazi ukuthi nabakubizako awuthomi ngokuyokungena estage, uthoma la uyareheza. Yabona ngapha kuyarehezwa, uthoma ureheze, mde ubhadala ispace ukuthi uyareheza, mde ubhadala abantu abakubethela ingatara ukuthi ureheza nabo, then mde utravele from lapho uye emnyanyeni. So into ezinjalo zonke mde zibhadelwa, akafanele ukuthi zibhadelwe ama-artist. Mandebele khethu, ibizo lami nginguThando Mahlangu, ku-Twitter @Thando Mahlangu _, Instagram @Thando Mahlangu _, Facebook Thando Mahlangu, YouTube Thando Mahlangu, TikTok @Thando Mahlangu _ siyatholakala. Mandebele khethu asibambaneni, le yi-movement and it's moving. Na ungaphakathi kwayo waphuma, thina uzasithola phambili, okusalako thina sikhamba siyimbumba, sibambene, ngiyazi nasihalela. Cheers.
Where can I press the red button? The red button.
Stop iye.
The dilemmas.